Now I am get down in the land from the road. Okay, now I'm walking in the land and I wanna show you the exact beautiful scenario. The lake is full of water. Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Take my love from core of my heart. I'm really grateful to you guys nowadays supporting me a lot. I'm really appreciate to you, and I'm motivated, I'm inspired by your such amazing feedback. This is why I am making more video from previous, and this is the reason I'm gradually improve my skill. And as you can see, right now I am beside the pond on the road, and you can see behind me there is a pond. The pond water is a very tiny amount of water. What is the reason? This is the winter season, that's why the water is very tiny, because it doesn't rain. This is the reason. And on my left side you can see there is a bamboo fence, and beside the bamboo fence there is a nut tree, and on the other hand you can see there is no one coconut tree. There is a lot of coconut tree available in this side. Okay, this is the thing. And you can see above me there is a leaf of coconut, and you can see the sky is totally crystal clear. Okay, and you can see now I am walking in the road. The road has a lot of grasses. The grasses is wet, and the leaves of trees have fallen down by the foggy. And you can see behind me, I can show you properly the atmosphere because of foggies are available in the atmosphere. Okay, and you can see on my left side there are a lot of lands available. I think this is the high time to practice English because of there is no noise. Okay, and there are not a lot of people available in the road. This is why I try to make video in morning time, and I think morning time is high time to practice. So those who are watching my video, guys, I'm highly inspired you, I'm highly request to you, do practice. There is only one solution to improve your spoken English. This is practice. Okay, I would love to give you the trick. The trick is practice. Okay, now I am get down in the land from the road. Okay, now I'm walking in the land and I want to show you the exact beautiful scenario. This is the beauty of rural area. Okay, those who are situated in the city side, they usually don't get such a amazing natural beauty. Okay, and on the other hand, those who are guys situated in village area, they can get such an amazing beautiful scenario. Okay, you can see over there there accumulated water. This is a lake, and the lake is full of water. Okay, and you can also see on my left side, because of irrigation, there the water accumulated here. This is the thing. So dear learners, I do not want to make it more longer. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay connected with Tamim's English Care. Thanks for watching.